Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. This is another very helpful video for all of you. You need to watch the full video. Here in this video, I am showing coloring from dark to light. So you need to watch the full video. And if you like the video, don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. We need more and more your help. So without wasting time, let's see the video.
So let's start our coloring. As I mentioned in my intro video, we will color this from dark to light. So I have chosen light brown color for a basic dark tone. Just a single tone I am applying for both the figures and their hands, clothes and everywhere, especially for the skin. I want you to watch full video. This you can color with oil painting also, oil pastel color also, acrylic also, even watercolor also. You can do this. So if you know about the opaque, you can do with opaque color also. Opaque means opposite of transparent color. So using watercolor, you can do opaque coloring. So opaque coloring means you can mix white with the colors. You can use the color using less water, more color. I mean the thick color, that is called opaque color. Now I am putting some more dark value. Not everywhere, some places you might have need dark color. Just for some lining, eyebrow, eyeball here. So this way you have to ready your dark base. Is very good to create a depth in your drawing. If you know the coloring from dark to light, you can see your drawing looks more realistic and moreover looks very dynamic and more depth. It creates more depth. Now I am choosing my middle color and the base color of the face. So here I am taking simply orange color. You can see I am putting the orange color and mix very gently the lighter color with the darker color. I mean, I am putting the orange color as well. I am mixing the color with the dark color that I used, that is brown color. You can see I have just left the space white for the color. can see for another figure, I mean, you can see a figure is on the back of the other figure. So the behind of the main figure you can see one figure, the hanging one. So I am choosing for this little bit different color. So boy's skin I have chosen orange color, but here I am choosing little bit skin color. You can see drawing is always a fun. Don't think too much while you are drawing. Just make fun out of it and keep doing. You can find day by day you are getting better. Now I am taking yellow color, and this you can see a lighter than orange also. So you can see the middle color, I mean the after dark brown color, the orange color I used, that is the middle tone. That middle tone is the base color of the figure. And now the yellow color, that is the lighter part, I mean the light is coming, so the color tone is changing, but the base color is that orangish color. When it's very close to orange, not exact orange, you have to mix the color. Now watch very gently. I am showing very slowly that you can grab all the techniques that I am showing over here. So can you remember how did I start? I started with dark color, that is light brown color, then orange, then yellow. Sometime you may need again to use dark color, but that you can use. So for eyes you can see I'm trying to make it correct. It's very interesting drawing where I'm showing a boy is carrying a girl. She might be his sister. So this figure composition you can use for any drawing, for child labor or to show the children are playing. For any composition you can use, even they are going to attend a fair or they are coming back from a fair, so you can use this in various places. So very simply I am doing. Now sometime I am using dark color according to my drawing. To mix the light color with the dark color I used, you have to mix the color. just you apply the color. After applying the color, you even have to mix the color with other color that you already used, I mean dark color. So I want you to watch the full video. Same technique I'll use for everywhere. So I want you watch the full video and you learn from this video. So keep watching this video. See how I colored the face, their hands, legs, everything. Now see, we'll color the dress. So I have chosen the color. I don't want to overwork on the dress. My main point of view was the face and to create the bonding between the two figures. But for the dress, I am just using simple, very light color, not too much of tone. Very important things while you are drawing, you have to know as well how much work you will do to catch the viewer's attention. So you can see it is looking finished, but you can see the hand is holding something. Boy's hand is holding something. What is this? That you have to clear a little bit. Yes. He is holding the girl's slippers. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.